Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, better late than never. But I'm going to be laying out my monthly spread, or decorating my monthly spread for the month of February. First off, who told January to go by so fast? But you know what? I do believe that it kind of happens like that most times. Like, my birthday is in January, and as soon as my birthday comes, it flies by. So we're now in February. I got this beautiful kit from Nikki +3. This is her monthly. I also did get her, I believe I got the notes pages set up. This month I really have a lot of things that I need to do, a lot of things I need to catch up on. So I am going to be putting this stuff down. I am just going to do a voiceover, just because I kind of just want to be able to focus on what I'm doing and not really worry about explaining stuff as we go along right now, because I was just saying in another video I just filmed, I am on this cleanse, and my God, I'm kind of hungry and it's making it hard for me to focus. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and lay down lay down my stickers and kind of talk you guys through what I am going to do. All right, so welcome back to another video again. First things first, I'm changing my cover. Last cover I had the Aquarius Zodiac sign cover from Erin Codren. But for this month, since February is Black History Month, my plan is to use as many Black-owned shops that I can in regards to my planning and sticker collection. So this one is from Goldmine CoCo. I absolutely love this cover, and I may not take it off for a while. Like, it's love it. I just love it. But yeah, so I'm putting down stickers, and it's so funny because when I originally was putting down the sticker, I'm always like, oh, I'll put down the note stickers first, because they just go down so easy. You know, it's like two big stickers that you put on there, so you don't even have to like worry about it messing up or anything. So I was just like, oh, yeah, let me go ahead and put this sticker down. This will be so easy. And then you'll see in a moment that after I put down that second sticker, I realized like how off it was, and ended up having to take the first one up and redoing it. And I was just like, ugh, really? And boom, I'll be taking it up again. But yeah, so thus far we are in to February. What is today? Today is the 10th. 10 days in. How is your February going? I think for the most part, mine is okay, with the exception of the migraine that I've been getting. But unfortunately, kind of sort of used to it, I guess, if you want to say. I don't know. Let me know if you are a migraine sufferer like I am, because something got to give. But I went ahead and jumped ahead and just showed you guys after I laid down all of my stickers. One thing, I mean, with the exception of this month, because the sidebar goes so well with the kit that I'm using, I'm anticipating what the new design would be for Erin Codren, as well as what the neutral will look like, because I'm definitely getting the neutral. I'm so over having to white out stuff or use the correction tape. I'm so over it. It's so annoying. And honestly, I feel like it's wasteful. So I think if I'm going to ever do another colorful planner that is going to be probably minimum decoration, like almost like accessorizing, but using more like pen, pencil, or, you know, marker or whatever the case may be to actually put down my plans instead of using stickers. Well, at least like the sticker kits, because I just feel like it's so wasteful and it's kind of annoying to have to white out certain things because of the colors, and it may be showing through, the boxes. Like that's annoying. Does that annoy you guys? What planner do you use? Like personally, what planner do you use? I'm actually thinking about like talking about my planner lineup, what it was supposed to be for this year versus what it actually is. It's quite hilarious because I was like, oh, everybody that was like showing their planner stacks. I'm like, oh, I'm going to use this, this, and this. And I mean, I'm barely using two, to be honest. The one that I am going to have set up completely by the end of this month definitely is my A5. And I'm going to finally finish my dang power sheets. Oh my gosh, like I was doing so well, and then I don't know what happened. It's just so crazy. But yeah, I back to this, playing with me. I laid down some stickers for like any birthdays. I put down like a full box, or like an event that I'm going to, I put down a full box. Those like 3/4 boxes are also kind of like event type things, and really is mainly to actually use my stickers. I feel like sometimes if I just had scripts of everything that I do like on a monthly basis, I would probably just use those in a flag. Honestly, the more and more I plan, the more and more I see, okay, where I need to, change the way I do things and stuff like that. But I put down everything that I have. I got a couple of birthdays that I wanted to mark down on here, so I put a couple of those down. I did put down the holidays, even though for some I don't really do anything. Actually, for like the majority of them, President's Day isn't a holiday in the nursing world, so we'll be working. And Valentine's Day, my boyfriend and I, for as long as we've been together, we never really did like nothing big, special, whatever. But I guess if you want to say we celebrated, we do by like going out to dinner every once in a while. But this year we probably be ordering dinner in because both of us work that day. That's his long day. I already do 12 hours. So I highly doubt that either one of us is going to want to go out to dinner afterwards. So, we'll just figure out a nice place that we want to order from and just have it delivered to our door and eat in our PJs. But yeah, so that's pretty much like all I really did for this kit in this month. And this kit, I actually got the functional sidebar because I know there are some things that I want to get done for this month. And sorry if my voice sounds a little crazy, guys. I, of course, just did a 3-day stint, and now my voice started getting crazy and my throat hurts, so I may sound a little cray. I am sorry about that. I'm trying to be a little bit more energetic than I actually feel because I'm struggling right now. I'm really, really struggling, but hopefully you guys can tell. But I did get the functional sidebar for this month because there is like things that I need to get done and kind of like really bring my focus back. And I know another thing that I'm going to try to do, I'm trying to be intentional as much as I can. And, I realize that sometimes I'll put down all these stickers and I won't like put anything like physically on them because I don't want to, exploit any of my family's personal information. But then I realize that I never actually go back and fill stuff in, or I don't go back and ever reference it. So I'm just like, I need to be more intentional with me putting down these spreads as well as actually using them. So like last week, every day, like especially even when I came home, I sat down at the table. I was eating dinner. I opened up my planner and I went back and I looked at the day. Okay, what did I have planned? What else did I do that day? I wrote it down. I checked it off. And I feel a lot better about, this newly formed habit that I have because, planning became really expensive real fast for me. And I definitely do enjoy it. But if I'm going to keep enjoying it and spending the way that I do, I definitely need to be intentional. So I end up doing this again at the end. But here's like, a completed look at my spread. And then I went back to fill out the decorate my dashboard with some of the other stickers that I have. And I think that's probably like the one thing that I have learned about myself is that sometimes I can be like very minimum with stickers. And other times I may just be lost at what I can actually use the stickers for. So I try to utilize as many of the stickers in any kit that I get. Like even sometimes I will order like, for instance, a full kit from Glam Planner. Sometimes if I order it, I will also order an additional page of the like bottom washi and date covers, as well as the glitter headers, because I realized that I can spread my kits out usually over 2 weeks by the way that I would plan sometimes. And then a lot of times you get a full kit, you also get like a double box. You get like the full 8-page full box page, and then you'll also get maybe like 1 or 2 additional what is it called? I'm losing my thoughts. Sorry guys. Additional full boxes. There we go. Ooh, Jesus, help me. But yeah, so I don't remember what was I even talking about. Guys, I don't even know. You gotta forgive me. This is like the funniest thing in the world because my brain is like mush. It's like mush. But yeah, here I'm throwing down some of this deco. I know that is next on my agenda, like to go through a lot of the like kits that I have, like what's left over from kits that I've used, and actually buying like one of those reusable books and putting all of my remaining stickers in there. So then that way I can like easily reference it instead of having all these sheets just kind of like laying around. Like right now I have one of those like big envelopes that Erin Codren had on sale. And I've been placing like all of my used kits in there. Just to house instead of it kind of just being all willy-nilly. And usually like for the monthly kit that I use, as well as the current week kit that I use, I keep it in the back. So in case something comes up and I need to like add a sticker or something like that, I can just easily get to it. Which I, end up having to do because I realized, one of my nieces is having a birthday party after talking with my boyfriend. So I put that down so I can make sure I can reference that, But yeah, I just put down my deco, and I think I probably may go back and like decorate that dot grid box on the dashboard too. I don't know. May use some of my washi. But here's, the final look of everything. I really hope you guys enjoy listening to me ramble a little bit today with this decorate with me, I'll call it, because, even though I talk you through my plans, I'm actually not writing anything down until afterwards. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate to let me know you guys actually like my little plans. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.